in this document, I think they haven't shown the without delivery. Okay, they haven't shown the without delivery in this document. But whatever I have told here, okay, so you just need to go through. So what are the different movement types you required? Okay, for plant to plant, these are the 301 for the one step, and the 303 and 305 are the two steps. Okay, and for storage location, 311 is one step because you're directly moving from storage location to another storage location. If you are using 313, you will be removing the stock from one store location and will going to keep it in the transit. And 350 means from transit to other store location will going to move it. Okay, that is how one step and two step processes we have seen. So in today's class, we will be discussing about the STO process only, but with delivery. Okay, here you can check. Here Intra STO between the plants in the same company code. Okay, we are distributing or transferring the material within the plants with the same company code. You may again ask why it is required. Okay, with delivery, without delivery, why it is required. Yesterday I explained about why without delivery. Okay, I explained with the Hubli and Belgaum, Balakot, all these examples I have explained now. Just go through this. Okay, without delivery means instead of transferring from Belgium, I am transferring from Hubli only, but we are mentioning the stock is from Belgium. Okay, just imaginary we are showing it. Okay, so that is how without delivery will going to take place. But in with the delivery, let us consider. Okay, again you have two different plants, TMKP and TMA, something like that. Okay, Andhra plant and Karnataka plant you have. So if you want to transfer from one plant to another plant, as I said, okay, if you are buying a new fridge or TV and you are transporting it from the line store to your home, the bill is required. Okay, so let us consider the whole material came to Karnataka plant. From the Karnataka plant, you are distributing it to different plants of your company code. Okay, under your company code only, you may be having 3 to 4 different plants. Now you are distributing those materials to the different plants. In that case, you are just sending those materials, that time along with the materials, okay, you will be sending that bill also. So that whoever the police will going to hold, if you show the bill, they can understand, okay, the goods is belongs to some person, he is just transferring it to some other person. That's it. Okay, means it is under one owner only. Okay, it is okay. Company code is the owner, right? So this is the owner who is having this material. So the owner itself is moving this material to somewhere else. Okay, that is fine. Okay, so that is fine. Here with the delivery and without delivery income. This is the today we are checking the with delivery. In this, we need to just focus on what are the different movement types are hitting. Just you have to observe what are the different movement types are hitting here. Okay, so this is an important thing here, movement types. Okay, so that one we will going to cover and we'll going to end this class. Here you can see STO between plants in the same company code. Okay, and this is also intra STO without delivery. One more thing is that without delivery. What is this without delivery? Here also you are not putting the materials, but you are just issuing the materials to the moment type 351. Okay. Here we are just issuing the materials through the 351. Okay. Here accounting entries will be there. Okay. Standard price, supplying plant, stock account, that is BSX will going to get credit. Okay. And receiving plant stock account, BSX will going to get debit. Okay, and if any price changes are there, PRD will come into the picture. This is a price difference account. Okay, so whenever we will going to move the stock from one plant to another plant, both the side BSX only will be hitting here. One will going to credit, where supplying plant BSX will going to credit. Okay, and receiving plant stock account will going to get debit. Okay, so this is how it is going to happen. And we can check this. Okay, first we will going to perform this activity. Then we can go to the next one. Okay, Intra STO two-step is there. No, in that we're going to do. But for this, no, I need to configure so many things in the backend. I will just show you in the other company code, and I will show you the settings also. Okay, what are the different settings I have done? But they all have to be done through the SD consultant only. The whole STO process, you need not to take care. SD consultant will going to sit with you. Okay, you need to coordinate with them, and you have to do it. Okay, first thing, okay, what we will do. First thing, in the org structure only, we need to prepare some organization structure for SD also. SPRO, I will go. Please observe this, okay? For I am showing it for the different plants now, okay? I have it ready for myself, so that one I am showing you. So here I'll go to the definition first, okay? First, you have to prepare the sales and distribution. So you have to create the sales organization, because once you want to have the sales from your company, then you have to have the sales organization now. Okay, so just go inside the sales and distribution. Here, define, copy, check sales organization is there. You just open it up, and here you need to copy it from 1000, but I have already defined now, so it is available with me. I will show you LP01. For everything, I have maintained the same name, LT01. Plant also same name, storage location also same name. Everything I have maintained with the LT01 only, so that it is easy to understand. But in companies also, they will going to make it with the 1000 only. Okay, 1000 is the company code, 1000 is the plant. Within the plant, 1000 is the storage location. Like that only they are going to do. That is for easy to understand. Means easy to remember, but better understanding whatever I taught, like TMKP and all. So they will be like you can understand. Okay, under India, Karnataka plant is there, Andhra plant is there. Like that, you can understand. If I'm given 1000, 2000, something like that, you will get confused. First, you understand the basics, then you can play with the recipe. Okay. So I have created my sales organization here. If you just check it here, I have given the entire data of India only. Okay, so the we need to maintain it with the India. Okay, so I will double click on this. Here also I have given the INR. Okay, if you copy it from the 1000, no, it will be Euro. Okay, so you need to make it INR. And here I have changed the sales calendar, that is from India. This is the customer intercompany bill. Okay, if you open this, okay, for TMIN, whatever the different, what is that, customers are there, okay, we have to give that particular customers, okay. See, for I have created my own customer, okay, for Bangalore, so that one I have given it here. I will just show you, okay, where this is and all. I will just show you how to create this customers list, okay. So that one I have given it here, but whatever the referring sales organization is there, that is 1000 only. Okay, I am taken from the 1000. I have created it, and sales calendar is I have maintained IN. Okay, this is the Indian calendar, factory calendar. So these all are actually from outside only. If you want, you just remove it or else leave it. Okay, I'll just go back. The sales organization I have prepared. Here, the important things I'm telling. Okay, yes, the people what they will going to do. And but these things you are not touching it in any company. Okay, you are not touching it, but don't just observe this. Okay, go through the video. Okay, means whenever the interviewer is asking, just tell about it. If you want to configure and all, okay, I will help you out. Okay, individually I will help you out if you practice in this particular thing. Okay, 1 minute. Yeah. So if you are practicing out, just do whatever I am doing it here. Okay. So these are the things. Or else what we will do, we'll create it for our company code also. I'll just copy it now. sales organization. Okay, I am copied from LT01 and you copied from 1000. Okay, sales organization, I will be making it like sales organization is there, and I will going to copy it PMSO, that is for the Tata Motors sales organization, like that I am doing it. Okay, okay, it is storing in the startup project. Sales organization is done. We go back. We go to the defined sales organization. Okay, PMSO. So here, sales organization for Tata. Okay, once you see the address, address will be perfect only because I have copied it from the LP0 node. I have already prepared it. The address is same. So just double click on this. So these things also correct only, but I just need to change this customer intercompany. Or else just remove it and save it. Okay, I have done this particular part. Go back. Then now you have to define profit check, distribution channel. Distribution channel already will be there. Okay, so I'll just go to the distribution channel. You just use 10 as a distribution channel. Okay, it is a standard one. I'm just using that. Okay, so this is it over here. And second thing is in the logistic execution. Okay, here we need to define our shipping point. Okay, shipping point is important here. So don't create the warehouse and define profit check debit shipping point. I'm copying the shipping point from LP01 again. Okay, and shipping point for us is PMSP. Okay, Tata Motors shipping point. So shipping point is also copied now. If you go to the defined shipping point and PMSP, you can see your shipping point is ready here. Okay, PMSP. I will say. So actually these things we shouldn't prepare, but I'm just going through this. Okay. In between, so many errors will going to get, we need to rectify the errors and move. So definition of the shipping point is done. Okay. Now we need to define the things. Okay. Definition is done. Now we have to assign the things. See, I have went to the sales organization and sales and distribution, and I have created the sales organization. So now you have to assign the sales organization to the company code, right? So just open it up. Okay, here just find your company code, that is sales organization is PMSO. This sales organization is assigned to LP01. Just avoid this. Company code is PMIM for us. We can save it. Okay. So and distribution channel sales organization. So just go over here. So you have to open up your sales organization. That is what is that? PMSO. Okay. If you open this PMSO, this one actually this PMSO is already attached to the distribution channel 10. Okay. So that is enough for us. So I'm just going to take this distribution channel and division 00 I'm going to take. Okay, these all things will come under the what is that sales and distribution only. See, PMSO, it is division is 00. Okay, these are the standards one which everyone will going to take. Okay, and I have to do this thing. Okay, assign sales organization, distribution channel, and plan. Very important. Okay, when you are going to open up your sales organization, that is PMSO. So this PMSO should be connected with our distribution channel 10 and also with our what is that sales plant. Okay, our plant is PMKP. So it is not linked with the PMKP, I guess. We just check it. See, PMKP, it is not linked with. So we have to link it with the PMKP. How we can able to link it? It is very easy. Go to the new entries, like PMSO, okay, distribution channel 10, line PMKP, and another is PMSO, distribution channel 10, and PMAP. These are the two lines for us, okay, just save it and go back. So here, that is enough, okay, you have to give this one, this is important step. Then going to the logistic execution, here we need to assign our shipping point to the client. Okay. So first you find your shipping point. Okay. That is PMSP. So PMSP, so many shipping points are available here. Okay. So first find your PMKP. First we'll check it. Yeah, PMKP plant is there. So under TMKP plant, we have some different shipping point. Okay. So, sorry, under TMKP plant, no shipping point is available. So we need to assign a shipping point under this TMKP. So what you have to do, just go back, again come inside, find TMSP. So TMSP are available here. Just double click on that. Okay. So this TMSP is assigned to some other hamburger, something like that. Okay. Just say assign. Sorry. So I have to take some different PMSP to find. Okay. Here also PMSP is there, but under LT02. Okay, that is fine. Find PMKP. Okay. So you have to find the PMKP and say assign. Okay. And here you need to find the PMSP. So shipping point is there. Just select this. So here I have assigned the PMSP to the PMKP plant. Okay. Just like that, just assign the TMSP shipping point to the TMAP as well. Find TMAP first. That is our TMAP is not there. 1 minute. Okay, save this thing. We have created our plant also, right? TMAP. Okay, so why it is not coming? So TMAP it is available. Okay, for this TMAP also we need to assign the TMAP. Assign, I will say, and I will find, okay, TMSP. So here it is. Just select this and say assign. Okay. So this for TMAP also I have assigned the TMSP as a shipping point. Okay. Just save these things. Go back. Okay. Now assignment is done. Okay. So once these things are done, then you need to go to the logistic execution. Logistic execution. So here you need to go to the shipping. Under the shipping, basic shipping functions. Under that, shipping points and goods receipt points. Okay, here you need to assign the shipping points. Okay, this is important again. So you just find the plant for yourself by content. Okay, but it will not be available. We'll just check. Okay, just go to the plant and select your PM KP plant and say choose. In this, see, there is no entries found. Okay, say new entries, loading group, and say 0001, 5001, and just tell you plant TMKP, shipping point TMSP. Okay, and you can just assign TMKP to TMSP. And again, one more thing, 0001, TMAP to the TMSP. Okay, this is the shipping point, and this is the plant. This is loading route. What is the loading route planner? I'm going to tell you. Okay, okay, just save this. So once this is done, go back and you have to say assign goods receiving point as well. Okay, just click on this, go to the position, find the plant, EMKP, if anything is available for that. See, nothing is there. EMSP is assigned to the LT02, that is fine. Say new entries, EMKP is my plant, storage location is RMSL within that. For this, EMSP is the shipping point. And EMKP, under that, FGSL, one more storage location is there. For that also, TMSP is the shipping point. TMAP also, I am just mentioning the same. Actually, these things you will not find in the internet also, I think, okay, because you are not searched for many things. I haven't found. I learned it myself. Okay, so just go through these things. Okay, you will understand the concept. Okay, so these are SD concept. No need to understand as well. Okay, so I have assigned this goods receiving points and for the input deliveries as well. Okay. So after this, what we need to do is, okay, so we have done the logistics things. Then what else we need to do? Okay. Now I think we have to set up the STO process. Okay. So for STO process, go to the material management, purchasing, under that purchase order. Okay. Here we need to set up the STO. See, set up for stock transport order. Just go here. First thing, define shipping data for plants. Okay. I'll execute this. Or we need to see our plant PMKP. Click enter. See, PMKP is available. Double click on this. See, here we need to make this plant as some customer. We need to give some customer number here, and these sales details we need to provide here. Okay, so we have to create the customer, right? So for creation of the customer, it is XD01 is the key code to create the customer. This we are assigning the customer code to the plant, like that. Okay, customer code to the plant, and also we will going to make it as a plant vendor. Means our plant has to become vendor, our plant has to become customer, both the things it has to become. So that is why we will going to provide it, because one plant will be selling the goods, another plant will be receiving the goods. Okay, so that is why we need to provide these things. So sales organization for us is PMSO. This is both are same. Okay, I will yeah, copy the customer from this. Okay, and I'm going to make it. So I will just click enter. Sales org PMSO. Click enter. Company name I will going to provide. This is also customer for us. Okay, customer PMSO 01 I will give. Okay, this is the first one, and for second I am going to give another one. Customer for PMKP I can give. Customer PMKP, like that I can give and proceed. Okay, so for this one I am going to find PMKP 1. Okay, see you PMKP 1. So I will just copy the same thing and put it over here. And here we need to put some address. Okay, that is fine. Click enter. Okay. So here we need to maintain the company code data as well as the sales area data. This is you are creating the customer. No MM consultant will going to create the customer. Don't worry about that. Okay, here if you go to the company code data, your reconciliation account will be there. We have to put that. I will just take it as a domestic. Okay, and cash management group. I'll take a A1. Okay, here payment transactions. Here 0001. I'm going to keep it. What else? Nothing is required. I'll go to the sales area. Here distribute. Okay, shipping tab. You go. Don't mention anything over here. Okay, billing document. In this, we need to maintain the 00 tags. Okay, that's it. These things are important again. Partner functions and all, it is not required. Okay. So this is it. Then come to general. Okay, just save this. Okay, we will going to create one number here. See, this is the number. 8 is the number. Just assign that number to the PMKP. Okay, I am assigning the 8 here. Sales organization is PMSO for us. Distribution channel 10, division is 00. Okay, just save this. Okay, next, what we have to do, just go back, find the PMAP, it will be above this. Okay, PMAP is there. Just double click on this. We have to assign some different customer here also. Okay, so for that, I am going to create one more customer with the same details. Okay, just click enter. Company code is, I will just say um, customer for PMAP. Okay, PMAP I am making. Okay, copy it, same search I am going to give, and here Andhra I am going to give. Hyderabad like that. Hyderabad. Okay, and India only, region and all, it is not required. Okay, so it is taken everything. Go to the company code details. Here comes reconciliation account, cash management you have to provide, and payment transaction, nothing is required. Okay, here payment terms, I'll just put it. Go to the sales area data. Billing, we need to put the tax here, 00. Then the shipping, nothing is required. Actually, this shipping condition we need to maintain, but not required actually. Just save this. Okay, 9 I have created. I'll just put 9 here. And the sales organization is PMSO. Channel is 10 and 00. Okay, so this is from Hyderabad. So we are moving the material from Hyderabad to Karnataka, like that I am created. So these things are done. Go back. Okay, create checking rules. Okay, so don't create anything. Just use the standard checking rule as 01. Okay, and again here we have the defined checking rules is there. Okay, so for 01, I am maintaining some. Sorry, this is the checking rules and this is the availability group. Okay, for this availability group, I am maintaining the checking group 01 like that. I am just mentioning. What is availability group? It is coming in the material master data and MRP3 view. Okay, you might have observed that MRP3 view. Okay, so that is important. We have to create one more material now. Our existing material we need to extend it to different views. Okay, because sales or view we haven't yet distributed, means taken them. So now I have to take it. Okay, so next I have to go to the what is that, assign delivery type and checking rule. So here just you have the document type for the stock transfer is UB. Okay, I have already mentioned that. Okay, just go through UB. So this is our what is that, document type for the stock transport order. Okay, so just copy it from, I will just copy it from the FD01. Here is the supply fact is there. Okay, so that is why I'll just copy it from the FD01. Okay, these two things I will just copy it and I prepare it for the PMKP and PMKP. So this is the checking rule and this is the delivery. NL is the delivery type. Okay, so NL you have to put, and UB is the what is that, document type. Okay, so if you are creating new also, just maintain the same thing. UB, you are supplying type, and NL is the document type. So and 0 is the checking rule. Like that you need to maintain this. Okay, just click enter, save it. Okay, if you are copying, copy, or else you can just say new and create these things. Okay, not an issue. You go back here. last step is assign document types for one step procedure and detail tolerance and all. Okay. So here I need to assign it for my applying pattern. So PMKP, I will just check. Nothing is there. Just go to the new entries. Here, PMKP, plant, sorry, yeah, supplying plant is TMKP, received that is TMKP. For this document type, okay, this is the, or else you can just click an F1 here. See, this is the purchasing document type. So you will be having a NB, UB, something like that, right? So for us, it will be UB only. Okay, the standard document type for the stock transfer order is UB here. Okay, and the TMAP if you are the supplying plant and TMKP is the receiving plant, then UP will be the document type for us. Okay, just save this. Okay, I have saved these things as well. Now we have to create the vendor. Okay, we need to create the vendor and we need to assign this plant as a vendor combination. Plant as a vendor combination. Where to assign and all, I'll just show you. Now you just go to the creation of the vendor, that is where we are going to create XK01. So here PMIN is there and remove this purchasing organization is PM POKP, right? For purchasing organization, I think POKP and account group is PBH. Okay, click enter. I'm preparing one. What is that? Vendor here. Okay, so you can do any name. Okay, VN PMKP I will give. Okay, VN PMKP. So I will just mention IN. Click enter. Whatever it is required, I'm just taking that. Apart from that, I'm not taking anything. So here in this screen, you need to go to the extras and add purchasing data. Here you need to mention the plant as a vendor. If you give the plant here, no, it is the plant as a vendor data will going to maintain here. This is the TMKP plant. Just I'm going to mention TMKP here. Click enter and save it. Okay, this is done. Okay, for the same company code, purchasing org and accounting group, I'm going to create one more for TMAP, TM vendor, TMAP. Okay, I just mentioned IN. Okay, so here also go to the extras, add purchasing data, just mention TMAP. That's it. Okay, so I have made the plant as a vendor, plant as a customer. Then I am created all the STO process, whatever the STO process it is required, everything we have completed it. Now we have to create a material /n MM01. Okay, we need to create a material. So we will create some material with the raw material only we're going to create. Click enter. But here, see, sales view is not available. How we can able to take the sales view here? Any idea? Any idea how we can able to take the sales view? We have done this already. Sales view here. We click here now. Here sales view is not coming. Any idea how we're going to take it? No idea?
No.
Okay. We have to go to OMS group. Okay. So here I have already told for our data material, data motors, raw material, like PMRM, so PRH is okay. Data raw material is there. Just double click on this. Okay, here we have selected the views for us. Okay, here I think I might have missed the sales. See, sales view is missed. Just select this and save it. Okay, so that you can able to get the sales view in the material. If you just check it now. Okay, sorry, I have to come again. Okay, /n MM01. So here now we will going to see the sales view also. Okay, so these are the basics. Don't forget the basics. Okay, I just take MR with 3 view as well. Just click enter. Plant is PM, KP. So location is RM, SL. Sales org is P, sales org is PM, SO, and distribution channel is N. For this, I am preparing one material, STO material like that. I am going to say. So base unit of measure is EA. This one general. Here tax code. Okay, you need to put this tax. This is important. Okay, and here only loading will come in the see this item category put as a norm. Okay, this is a standard. Norm is a standard, and here transport group is there and loading group. Whatever the loading group you have provided for this, you have to create the. We have assigned already for the loading group and particular plant. We need to assign the shipping point like that. We have assigned it already. So just do that 0001 here, and this loading group also 0001 will do. Where we have assigned, I will just show you. In the logistic execution, okay, here in the shipping, in this basic shipping functions, shipping and points, okay, here assign shipping points is there, no? Here I have assigned it. If you go to the selection by content and select the plant, and if you choose TMKP, TMAP, so we have assigned with this loading group. Okay, what is this loading group? There is nothing but the cranes. How you are loading the material? Whether you are using the crane, forklift, or manually you are loading. Okay, so these are the different loading groups. That's it. Okay, we are using this, and this is some basic thing. Okay, for this plan, this should be the shipping point like that. I have maintained it here. So next thing, okay, here I have provided the loading group. Next, click enter. Purchasing group we have to provide. That is something 000. We can say here I will just put one and proceed. Here PD I will take. MRP controller is PMC for us. EX. Here I will take some 30 days. This is PSK. Yeah, here availability group is there, no? We just provide 01 here. Okay, this is a daily requirement like that we are taking. Okay, daily requirement. So just take 01 here. Click enter. Okay, this is 3000 valuation plus. Okay, just click enter and save this material. Okay, I have saved this material, but this material needs to be extended to 1707 is the material for me. 1707, but I need to extend this material to some other plant also. So I just need to 1707. I just will take it. Select this views as well. Okay, MRP3 also. Click enter. Okay, PM AP I will go into RM SL and sales organize PM SO and distribution channel 10. Here, if anything is missing, that only we need to consider. RM is not required. Here, norm is there. Yeah, here loading group is missing. We need to put this purchasing group. Yeah, PD. Just mention 01. Yeah, 3000. So I have maintained the same material in both the plants. Okay. So just how we will going to maintain it? Just you have to put the plant. Okay. And if you say here you have to select in this, you have to go and put the different plant. Okay. So that is how we will going to extend. I have already told it. Okay. So this is the how we are going to create the materials and extend to the different plants. Now we will try to create one purchase order on these things. Okay. ME21 is the purchase order. So here we have set up the every data. So who will be the vendor here? Our plants are the vendors, our plants are the customers. Okay. So vendor is there means, okay, the some plant if I'm taking here, let us consider first we have to maintain this material in our company. Both the plants I will just maintain some material. Okay, sorry. Flash and MMDE, if you are checking the stock overview, nothing will be there. Okay, no material will be available. How they will going to send this to the different plants now? Okay, even in the TMKP also nothing will be there. See, so I will just add the material over here. Just check how we will going to add. Already know about this. How we will be adding. Okay, slash n mm. Sorry, mi0. I will take initial entry of the stock. Okay, that one I will do here. Okay, transfer posting is there. No, I will say goods receipt, and here other I will take, and here material is 1707. Click enter. Quantity some 100 quantity I'm adding. Where I'm adding through the 561 movement type. Plant is TMKP RMSL. Okay, I'm adding over here. Okay, just check it and post it. See, now if you are checking the stock overview here, you can get 100 stocks here. I'll just refresh this screen. You can get 100 stock here. Okay, same way I will be adding some stocks to the Andhra plant also. Okay, if you are executing, no materials will be available. Same way I will be adding the materials here. Okay, so here I will just make it 561. Material is 1707. Quantity 100 again I will take. Okay, here plant is EMAP and RMSL is the store location. Same store location is available there. Okay, I'll just post this one. Okay, now we can check it here. Refresh the screen. We're going to get 100 materials here. Okay, so just create a STO process. Okay, slash ME21N. So here I will be taking the vendor as a plant only. So this TMKP means if you are taking the vendor as a TMKP means TMKP is supplying the materials to the Andhra plant. Like that it will be. Okay, I will just take TMKP. Okay, and purchasing org is sorry, not that you don't. For us is POKP, and I take some group and our company code. Here material is 1707 is the material. Let us consider I am ordering some 10 stocks. Okay, and net price is around 10 rupees, and currency is INR. Plant which is ordering the materials here, EMAP plant. Okay, for which store location? RMSL. Okay, click enter. See, no master record exists for the vendor TMKP. It is telling. Okay, TMKP is we have maintained TMKP, right? Vendor. Just go to slash n. XP01. Sorry, XP02. I take. Okay. Just now we have created two vendors now. I have just searched it. Okay. Slash n MK. Reject. Under the POKP. I have created two vendors here, 28 and 29. Okay, I will just check that. Slash n XK 0 to 28. I will check. Purchasing data is in. Okay, here if you go to the extras and add purchasing data, see TMKP is available. But they are telling no master data is available. Okay, 1 minute we can take whereas a 28. Okay, this is the vendor here. Okay, see. Okay, sorry, I haven't chosen the document type as UV here. Okay, see, this is a standard purchase order. I have to choose this stock transport order. Okay, then this plant will going to appear here. Okay, and once you're going to choose the stock transport order, here this item category will be U. What is this U? This is the stock transport. Okay, the stock transfer will come. So now you'll just click enter. Just check it if any is right. Just check it. If any errors are there, no message, that is fine. I have defined our message output now. If it is not available also, it is okay. Just save this. Okay, I have created the what is that one purchase order. Okay, 434 is my purchase order. Just go to the stock overview and check it here in the what is this Andhra plant. Okay, Andhra plant is ordering the material now. Okay, just execute this. So now you can able to see 10 stocks is in the on order stock. Okay, on order stock is 10 because I am ordering 10 stocks for this particular plant. Okay, if you check the one more T code is there, CO09. In this, you will going to get the entire data of this particular material. Okay, MRP is TMAP only. Okay, just check it now. Click enter. See, for this TMAP, for this material, on this particular date, 2302, 100 materials we have added, and also I have raised the 10 material stocks. Okay, means I have raised the purchase order for 10 materials. Okay, like that, entire data it will going to provide CO09. Okay, so this one also, if you want, you can just check it. So it is showing it in the MMB as well. Now, for this, where is that? For this purchase order, we need to create the MyGo, right? For this purchase order, copy it, create the MyGo. But how will going to create the MyGo? MyGo is not possible because whenever you are creating the MyGo, that time whenever you are receiving the goods, that time you are going to create the MyGo. But whatever the Karnataka plant is there, no, it is now shipping the materials to the Andhra plant. Means we have to do the outbound delivery here. Okay, how we are going to do the outbound delivery? Outbound delivery through the PL sorry, 10B. Okay, this will be done by the what is that SD consultants only. You need not to worry about this actually. Okay, here I will just remove this and put my PMSP as a second point and remove the dates as well. Okay, and go to the purchasing order here. Okay, just put your purchase order, click enter and execute this. Okay, here just select this. Okay, go to the background. If any errors are there, it will show over here only. Okay, see, no errors is there, just it is created. Just select this, go to the log. Okay, and select anywhere and see the documents. So your document is created. This is our outbound delivery. Okay, so just Control Y and copy the entire delivery. Copy it and go to the slash and PL0 to N. Okay, that is the creation of, this is a changing of our outbound delivery. Change in the outbound delivery. Click enter. Here we need to do the PGI, but before doing the PGI, we need to check. Okay, in the loading whether we are maintained everything or not. We have to check. See, gross weight is this one. Everything is there. Picking. Okay, how much material we are picking? See, picking quantity it is 0. We have to pick 10 quantities here. I am saying pick quantity is 10. And where we have to go, transport, everything is correct. After that, I need to go to the header. And here, number of packages, loading, I have to see loading point. Okay, this is perfect. Shipment, I have to check. Okay, in shipment also nothing is there. So that is it, I think. Okay, here picking only I need to check. Number of packages. Loading point, packages. Okay, nothing is there. Okay, just try to give, go to the item. Okay, here shipping and status overview. I will go. See, our goods movement is not yet. Okay, A means it is not yet processed. Okay, C means it is completed. Okay, confirmation is done for this. Okay, delivery. So I will just goods movement data. Anything is there here? Okay, so delivery quantity is 10. So that is why, storage location. Sorry. One more important thing is storage location. I need to mention the storage location here. If you are not mentioning the storage location, it will going to throw an error. RMSL is the storage location for us. Click enter. So just go to the overview and do the post goods issue. Once you are going to do the post goods issue now, automatically materials will be posted. Okay. So the post goods issue has been completed. Go to the stock overview and refresh the screen. Okay, 100 materials only is available. See, once you have done the post goods issue, here I will just show you in this. We have done the post goods issue. We are doing this one. Okay, this one we have taken two step. So here I have created the outbound delivery and I have done the post goods issue. Now the billing and MyGo is remaining. Okay, we need to do the MyGo process now. Okay, so once you have done the post goods issue, you have to do the MyGo. Then the entire step is completed like that. Okay, slash and MIGO. Here, just take the what is that goods receipt based upon the outbound delivery. Okay, outbound delivery. Put your outbound delivery number here. Click enter. See, this is the STO material, which is through the 101 movement type. Okay, just observe this 101 movement type, but you will going to get the different movement types somewhere else. I'll just show that. Okay, and quantity is 10. It will be available, and purchase order data is this one. Okay, partner is this is the Karnataka plant is the partner. Okay, TMKP is the partner for us. Okay, this material just say item okay and check it. See the movement type 101 it is taking. Okay, then post it. Now if you are checking the stock overview in the Andhra plant, okay, here 10 stock should be increased and in the Karnataka plant 10 stock should be reduced. So this is the Andhra plant. I'll just refresh the screen. Here you will be going to see 110. If you just click on this, okay, right click on this and go to the material movements, you can see 101 movement type is applied over here. Okay, so for this 10 stocks, 101 movement type. Go back again. Okay, so if you just check the Karnataka plant, here 10 stocks will be reduced. See, 90 stocks are available. So goods issue is completed here. You see the material movement, 10 stocks is means it is removed through the 641 movement type. This is important, 641 movement type. If in interview they are asking what is the movement type for the two-step process in the intra delivery, intra STO, then you have to tell in intra STO you will be going to get two different movement types. That is for the where he has mentioned. Okay, here intra STO with the delivery two steps, we will going to get a 641 movement type for the goods issue and 101 movement type will be applied for the goods received. Okay, so these are the different movement types. And if you are going through the one step, then 647 will be coming into the picture. Okay, this is a one step delivery. Okay, don't go through the company code to company code. Under two means we have the transfer for company code to company code also, but there taxes and everything will going to change because we need to create the company, one company in India and the company in some other countries. So the India will be having the tax code, some different tax code, other country will be having some different tax code. Just say you haven't practiced with this, okay? But whatever you have practiced over here, no, just give the entire details, okay? So they'll definitely ask you what will be the steps and what will be the movement types which will going to hit, okay? I will just mention the steps here, okay? Even I have shared this document, no, that is also enough. Okay, what are the steps? First thing, means one plant, let us consider Andhra plant is raising the what is that purchase order, okay? Then TMAP plant, okay, will raise the purchase order to the TMAP plant, okay? See here, if this is the case, then here TMKP is the supplying plant and TMAP is the receiving plant. Okay. So here TMKP is supplying plant and TMAP is the receiving plant. So this is the first step. Second step, do the outward delivery through PL10B. Okay. We need to do the outbound delivery through PL10B. Third step is create PGI, that is nothing but a post goods issue. Okay, once we're going to do the post goods issue, do the MIGO. Okay, so that's it. Okay, once you're going to do the MIGO, the stocks will come inside your company. Then for this, billing is not required actually. Okay, why billing is not required? Because the owner is same. Okay, owner is same, so we are not doing any billing activities over here. Okay, so this is the two-step process. Okay, here movement types. Okay, very important movement types are when TMKP will issue the goods through movement type 641. Okay, and what is that? TMAP will do the goods receipt through movement type 101. Okay, we have seen both the things. Okay, 101 movement type also we have seen, 641 movement types also you have checked it. Okay, so this is how we're going to see the entire delivery for the one plant to another plant. Okay, so this is what it is all about, the two-step delivery. Okay, so one-step delivery is very simple. Okay, so here in the two-step delivery, okay, what we have done all these things now in one-step delivery. See here, this is one step. We will going to create the PO. After that, PL10 will be there and PL02 will be there. After that, MIGO will not going to happen here. Okay, within this step only we're going to do the post goods issue. That is the final step. Okay, so this is one step delivery. Okay, if you want to do the two-step delivery, then you will going to create the MIGO here. Okay, that is the only difference. Okay, so just go through this. Whenever you are not getting any idea, no, please do ask me. Okay, here one more thing is the goods issue. Okay, without delivery means we are issuing the goods to the different plant through the 351 movement type. Okay, so we are not doing any post goods issue, nothing. Okay, we are issuing the goods here. Okay, once somebody will going to raise the PO, based upon that we're going to issue the goods. That's it. That will be through the 351 movement type. Okay, so this one, it is very simple. So just you have to go through this document, just go through the steps. Okay, if some interviewer will be asking, he'll be asking the steps, these steps. Okay, and whatever the steps I have given here, this is enough for you to